इंसान जन्म से बड़ा नहीं होता, कोयल कूक से, पेड़ फल से, खेत उपज से और इंसान अपनी सोच से बड़ा होता है। हंस और बगला दोनों मानसरोवर में साथ रहते हैं। हंस मोती खोजता है और बगला मछली। इट्स योर चॉइसेस दैट डिफाइन यू। कमल का फूल कीचड़ में उगता है, पर अपने कैरेक्टर, अपने आइडेंटिटी की वजह से भगवान श्री हरि के शीश पे चढ़ता है। It's the thing that's in your head, your thoughts, that voice that makes you different. मेरे को नहीं पता कि आपके क्या ड्रीम्स हैं, मुझे नहीं पता कि आप कितने परेशान हो उसको फॉलो करते करते, बट द ओनली थिंग आई नो, योर ड्रीम्स आर पॉसिबल। वैसे कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, बट मैंने आज तक फैशन डिजाइन की कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करी। I always wanted to be a pilot. I went into architecture. I ended up doing interior design. I'm a master in interior design, but I'm a fashion designer who's represented my brand at New York Fashion Week and Milan Fashion Week, which are the two biggest fashion weeks in the world. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सब कुछ हो रहा है, जो मैंने टॉक्स दिए हैं, कुछ पॉडकास्ट दिए हैं, कुछ अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, और आज मैं यहां खड़ा हूं, इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ फ्यू चॉइसेस। इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द करेज आई हैव इन मी। अगर आप अपने ड्रीम फॉलो कर रहे हो तो इतना तो पता चल गया होगा कि इट्स नॉट इजी, इट्स नॉट इवन हार्ड, इट्स वेरी हार्ड। अगर नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया तो मैं एक बात बोलता हूं, द प्रोसेस ऑफ अचीविंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम बिलीविंग। बिफोर यू बिकम अ अचीवर, यू बिकम अ बिलीवर। एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, हम सोचते हैं यार, वाई मी, वाई गॉड, वाई इज दिस हैपनिंग विद मी। यार मैं तो अपने गोल्स, अपनी ड्रीम्स फॉलो कर रहा हूं, बट यार ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है। बट जो इस प्रोसेस में है, फॉर दोज हु आर इन दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग देमसेल्फ एंड एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट, डोंट गिव अप। यू नो, fear clogs, faith liberates, doubt creates mountain, but faith tunnels through. Fear is actually the dark room where negatives are made, you know. So, and this negative is because of that fear. वो डर की वजह से है। महाभारत की एक स्टोरी है कि मृदर नरेश ने दानवीर करण से पूछा कि हे दानवीर करण, तुम अर्जुन को लड़ने जा रहे हो, तो मैं डर नहीं लगता। And दानवीर करण replied that मृदर नरेश, डर सबको लगता है, डर उनको नहीं लगता जो काट के योद्धा हो। Everybody fears. It's only those wooden toys who don't fear. But ये जो मेरा डर है, मेरे आत्मविश्वास को नीचे जाने नहीं देती। My confidence does, I don't lose my confidence because of my fear. And that's how you conquer. You know, it's how you react to what comes to you. एक पत्थर चोट खा के कंकर कंकर हो गया, एक पत्थर चोट खा के शंकर शंकर हो गया। द चॉइस इज योर्स। इट्स हाउ यू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड। लोग अपने ड्रीम्स के बारे में काम करना बंद कर देते हैं बिकॉज उनको लगता है लोग क्या सोचेंगे। यार मैं इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हूं, मैंने आज तक फैशन डिजाइन की कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करी, और मैं एक आई वुडंट कॉल माई सेल्फ सक्सेसफुल, बट मैं उस लेवल पे हूं कि दैट आई कैन कम हियर एंड स्पीक टू यू। लोग, पीपल स्टॉप थिंकिंग, स्टॉप वर्किंग ऑन द ड्रीम्स बिकॉज लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर नहीं हुआ तो। अरे भाई, हर पत्थर जो फेंका जाता है वो आम को तोड़ने के लिए नहीं, कुछ तैयारी करने के, कुछ प्रोसेस के लिए भी फेंका जाता है। Every stone thrown is not to get the bull eye. You know, the greatest ideas are found at graveyards because people did not have the guts to complete them. हम लोग ना बहुत सारे आज के स्लैंग बिकॉज वी ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स हियर, आज के स्लैंग में बोलता हूं, हम लोगों को स्टॉक बहुत करते हैं। There is a higher, fairer chance of probability that you know the other person than you know yourself. We use the word मेरा role model है. यार, when you start imitating somebody, you don't become successful. You don't become like them. You become a copycat. And if you work very hard to it, you become a better copycat. In this process of imitating people, you lose yourself. Don't copy yourself. Your dreams are your dreams. If God's given you the power to dream, work on them. Doesn't matter. I worked on them. I'm one example. And you know, दुनिया के सबसे बड़े शो डिजाइन वीक पे जाके, जहां पर 20-20 साल पुराने डिजाइनर्स थे, उनके सामने उनके साथ शोकेस करना, इट्स नॉट इजी. बट व्हाट टुक मी इज द करेज, my power, my hunger to create the identity I have today. मैं 3 साल पहले तक अगर आप मुझे देखते, मैं एक ब्लू जीन्स और व्हाइट शर्ट पहन के ऑफिस जाता था, एंड आज शायद दुनिया के सारे कलर मेरे पे हैं. So that is it, because I have stopped thinking that what people will think about me. You know, a man with a new idea is known as a crank until he becomes successful. You must have good intentions to work on it, and if you can't work on those good intentions, they will eventually die. अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई thought है, you have a thought, work on it. Doesn't matter where you'll end up. Either it'll be a lesson or it'll be an achievement. There's nothing in between it. It's a very fine line. Okay, who's the king of the jungle? The lion? Is he the strongest? No, the elephant is. Is he the fastest? No, the cheetah is. Is he the smartest? No. But still, he's the king of the jungle. Why? Because of his mentality. When a lion sees an elephant, he says attack. When an elephant sees a lion, he says run. The lion can never be outnumbered by the number of hyenas, but when he walks in, he's the king of the jungle. You can be a gazelle. When you see a gazelle, when a gazelle sees a lion, he says run. He keeps on running until he's safe. There's no threat to him. But what about a lion? He does the same thing. He keeps on running until he hunts. And he doesn't stop there. He keeps on hunting, goes on and on and on and on and on. He doesn't stop until his goal is there. You know, you have to be the lion. You have to have that lion mentality of yours. Fearless. That's what I say. पक्का प्रॉब्लम आएंगी, लाइन को भी आए, तुम्हें भी आएंगी, but you need to pause down for a second. आज before us somebody spoke about to pause. I have a very beautiful story to share. अपनी स्टोरी कोई बुक से नहीं, कि 2021 COVID was there, post COVID wave 2. I had the opportunity to go to Maldives for a vacation, and I'm aquaphobic, by the way. I'm hydrophobic. I fear water. I believe that I'll drown. I'll die because of drowning. I decided to do a course of scuba, a PADI course. It's a 4-day course. 3-day you're taught the scuba thing in the pool and in the corals, and the 4th day you give the exam and you get a PADI license. First, my trainer was a European, 36, 37-year-old, well-built person. He comes, he gave me a training for the first day, second day, third day, because next day is my final, my PADI certification. There's this, not being racist, there's this skinny boy comes up to me. He's a local Maldivian. He comes and says, I am your trainer today. I was like, are you sure? I'm 6'2". He was 5'6", little skinny. He said, can you handle me? I will, don't worry. We go down, we gear up, we go in the water. So you go down, you acclimatize, you go like 5 meters, 6, 7, 8, you wait, you take a pause in between, just so that your body gets used to the water pressure. So there's this mouthpiece which we have, in which there at times salt water gets in. And believe me, salt water isn't that tasty. It's not like Nimbu Pani. I took the piece, I went down, there was water coming in the mouth, and I used to go, let's go up. This is okay, this is up. We go up. He said, what happened? I said, salt water. Happened once, happened twice, happened thrice, fourth time. We were like 10, 15, 10 or 12 meters. I think 16 was the threshold. I said, let's go up. There's something wrong. I went up. This time, this guy is furious. He said, what happened? I said, salt water is coming. He said, drink it. I said, drink it? Are you joking? It's salt water. Drink it. Gulp it in. Pause. And then decide. You want to stop, you want to go up, or you want to go forward. Take a second. Pause. Okay, we go again. Another 15 minutes inside it. We are there. Salt water comes in the mouth. This time I drink it. I take a 5-second break and I realize that I think I can go forward rather than going up. You know, this is a story which has nothing to do with anything happening there, but it taught me a lesson that when there is a problem, face it and then decide whether you can stop there. You want to stop there or you can go forward with it. So I think that pause in life is very important. And before I end it here, I always believe कि बड़ा सोचो. Think positive, think big, dream big. You never know who's listening. You never know who's going to be there up there and just going to say tathastu. And it will happen. I believe in dreams. You also should. Thank you.